Hello all, ellarigu namaskara. Welcome to Masala Chai Media Learn Kannada through English series. So in this video, we will learn some interesting meaning behind the names. Have you all wondered, like you might have heard some names but you have no idea on what does it mean, or even we have come across the many names which we don't decode it to the meaning, right? So now we will try to learn few Kannada words which are derived from names. So it is a very basic and common name. We might have heard Sneha, right? Sneha means friendship, as we all know. How can we improvise it to the next? That is, if I want to say female friend or male friend, how can I derive it from Sneha? So Snehita will be male friend. Snehite is female friend. So now we have learned three words. Sneha is friendship in Kannada. Snehita is again friend. Snehite is again friend. So now coming to next name, that is Preeti. Preeti is love. So if I want to say that, okay, I love oranges, ನಾನು ಆರೆಂಜನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಆರ್ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಆರೆಂಜಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಈಸ್ ಲವ್. So now I will just give you some names which you might have heard it in temples or in some history books. Yellava. So if you heard this name Yellava, it is a famous temple in Belgaum. Yella means all. We have learned this. If you split the name, Yella means all. Avva means Amma. Again, it is a name of mother, like it is a meaning of mother. So just for your information, Yellava means she's a mother of all, right? So we have learned two words here. Yella means all. Avva means mother. Now coming to the next name, let's say that Basappa. You might have heard Basappa or any name that ends with Appa, right? So Appa means father, okay? Then if you have heard the name Basavanna, he is a famous philosopher from 11th or 12th century. So Basavanna, if you have heard, so Basava means bull, everyone knows it. So Anna means brother in Kannada. Anna is brother. So if I want to ask who is your brother, how do I say it in Kannada? Nimma Anna yaru, right? So maybe answer would be whoever your brother or Basavanna or any of that sort. So now coming to the next name, Akka Mahadevi. Again, it is a famous name and philosopher from 11th century. So here Akka means sister, okay? So if I want to make some sentence that okay, my sister is beautiful, how do I say that? Nanna akka tumba sundaravagiddale, or nanna akka chanagiddale, she is good, okay? So akka means sister. Next name would be, you all might have heard the name Sudhamurthy. So with this name, what word I can learn in Kannada? That is Murthy. Murthy is statue actually. So let's say that, okay, Modi launched Basavanna statue in US, right? So how do I say it in Kannada? Modi Basavannanavara ಮೂರ್ತಿ US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Launched is ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸು, okay? So you can use this ಮೂರ್ತಿ wherever you encounter the word statue, okay? Now coming to the next name, that is Salu Marada Timmakka. She is a awardee of Padma Shri. So from this name, what Kannada word I can learn? That is Salu is line. How do I say that line of ants? Iruvegala Salu. Line of trees. Maragala Salu. So Salu Marada Timmakka. Marada means trees, okay? So she has planted many trees in line, so that is the word she got, Salu Marada. Salu is line. You can even ask the kids, okay, stand in line. How do I say? Salalli nintkolli, okay? So Marada means tree. Now coming to next, we will try to learn few dishes names, and from there can we derive some Kannada words. So first famous dish in Karnataka will be bisi bele bath, right? So bisi means hot, okay, bele means dal. So how do I say that? Okay, tea is hot, tea bisi agide, tea is hot, tea bisi agide, okay. Or tawa is hot, how do I say? Tawa bisi agide, okay. Bele means dal, okay. Actually bele is raw dal, okay, it is not a dish. So when you say bisi bele bath, it is nothing but the rice which is cooked with dal that is served hot, okay, bisi bele bath. So next word, next dish will be akki roti. So you might have heard this. So akki means it is rice, uncooked rice you can say, because we don't say cooked rice as akki. It is uncooked rice. For cooked rice we say anna. So what sentence I can make using akki? If you go to grocery shop and you ask, okay, brother give me 1 kg rice, anna 1 kg akki kodi, you can say, okay. So akki roti, or you can derive this akki. So whenever you want to shop rice, you can say akki kodi, okay. Then coming to next dish, that is Mysore pak is famous. Even name itself indicates it's Karnataka's authentic dish. So here what word we can learn? Paka. Paka means syrup. Whenever you want to say, okay, sugar syrup, that is sakkare paka. Sakkare means sugar. So you can just say any syrup as paka. That is in Kannada. I hope you liked this content. And now whenever you encounter or whenever you hear these dish names or names, you can at least connect with the meaning of that dish or the names. So if you know any more new words, you can write us in comments. We will try to tell the meaning of that. Thank you. Happy learning. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.